Scene 1. Introduction. Narrator's voice over as the camera pans diverse landscapes, vast deserts, lush forests, serene mountains, and flowing rivers. From the deserts, kissed by golden sun, to the emerald canopies of endless forests, from the jagged crowns of snow-clad mountains, to the ceaseless symphonies of unruly rivers, wisdom surrounds us, timeless and patient. Yet, humanity often overlooks it. I come today, not from a throne of riches, but from the heart of metaphor, a place of truth, love, and unity. We, humanity, are the salt of the earth, a unique element in this grand feast of existence. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Camera focuses on a reenactment of historical figures sharing their wisdom. First, Chief Seattle addressing his people. Chief Seattle. Listen closely, my brothers and sisters. Does the scent of the cedar or the rolling cries of the wolf belong to any man? The earth does not belong to us. We belong to it. From this understanding starts the journey inward. Within our spirits lies a vision that no eye could ever grasp. It is born of reverence and harmony. Narration continues interspersed with these visuals. Narrator. He spoke of truths passed down like melodies in the wind, an understanding so profound it touched the thread binding us to the earth. Scene transitions into an Aboriginal elder speaking to a community around a fire. Australian Aboriginal elder. Do you know the stories in the stars? Can you hear the wisdom woven into the earth? The dream time connects us all, those before us and those yet to come. Our spirit sings these truths, guiding us to see with something greater than just our eyes. Narrator continues. Narrator. The spiritual maps laid by these voices were different, yet they all led to the same realization. The eyesight that matters most comes from within. It is a sight of understanding, respect, and unity. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. Scene shifts to an Islamic scholar in a modest library, passionately teaching. Imam al-Ghazali, depicted actor. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who bring the most benefit to others." To understand this is to look beyond mere appearances and see the divinity in every soul, in every being. As leaves on a tree are separate, diverse, yet all part of one body, so are we guided by an unseen truth, a vision rooted in the heart, beloved by Allah. Narrator. Echoes of the sacred tellers continue to speak, a unified message crafted not by time, but by timeless compassion. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. Scene transitions to the feet of a serene Buddha statue, before moving to a scene of a monk in meditation. Buddha, depicted actor. Our minds are the shapers of the world we live in. To see with clarity is to guide oneself inward. To think is to create. But remember, the vision that truly shapes us is the one that springs from love and enlightenment, not fear. Narrator. Wisdom across cultures and ages echoes the same eternal truth. The greatest journey you will ever take lies within the corridors of your own heart. You are the compass, the pilgrim, the temple, and the destination. Scene 5. Conclusion. A montage of harmonious scenes, people meditating, communities gathered, tears of joy, and serene smiles in nature. Narrator. What does it mean to see? It is not defined by what the eyes observe, but by what the soul comprehends. Across deserts, through forests, mountains, and rivers, mankind carries forward millennia of wisdom whispered, sung, and written by hearts who dared to see differently. Know this, your vision, your humanity, and your heart are timeless bridges uniting us. Let the light of your heart guide you. Your inner vision is your true strength.